Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this drug inspector test series, let's start from question number 181. Question number 181, quinidine acts as a option A, sodium channel opener, option B, sodium channel blocker, option C, calcium channel blocker, and option D, calcium channel opener. So the right option is option B, sodium channel blocker. So quinidine is a antiarrhythmic drug, which can block the sodium channel blocker. Then question number 182, high ceiling diuretic is option A, indapamide, option B, clopamide, option C, acetazolamide, and option D, torozamide. So the right option is option D, torozamide. So we know that another high ceiling diuretic is furosemide. Then question number 183, example for tyrosine kinase receptor is option A, insulin receptor, option B, GABA A receptor, option C, acetylcholine receptor, and option D, steroid receptor. So right option is option A, insulin receptor. Then question number 184, the capacity of a drug to cause fetal abnormality is known as. The options are option A, carcinogenicity, option B, teratogenicity, option C, mutagenicity, and option D, photosensitivity. The right option is option B, teratogenicity. Then question number 185, the predominant muscarinic receptor which mediates vagal bradycardia is. The options are option A, M1 muscarinic 1 receptor, option B, M2 muscarinic 2 receptor, option C, muscarinic 3 receptor, option D, muscarinic 5 receptor. So the right option is option B, muscarinic 2, that is M2 receptor. Then question number 186, pyrazine produces its action by blocking which type of receptors? The options are option A, NM receptor, option B, NN receptor, option C, M1 receptor, and option D, M2 receptor. So the right option is option C, M1 receptor. Then question number 187. So in this question, assertion and reason is given. So we have to find out which is true and which is the correct reason. The first assertion, beta-2 agonists are used in the treatment of hyperkalemic familial periodic paralysis. Reason, beta-2 agonists enhance potassium uptake into muscles. The options are option A, both A and, that is assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct reason for A. Option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct reason for A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. So the right option is option A, both A and R are true and R is the reason for A. Then question number 188, consider the following statements. First assertion, clozapine is an antipsychotic drug which shows few extrapyramidal symptoms. Reason, clozapine has a potent 5-HT3 and 5-HT2 antagonistic effect. The options are option A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation for A. Both A and R are true, but R is the not correct explanation for A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, R is true but A is false. The right option is option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation for A. Then question number 189, assertion, painful procedures can be carried out under the influence of thiopentone sodium analgesia. Reason, thiopentone sodium is a poor analgesic. The options are option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A. B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct reason for A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, R is true but A is false. The right option is option D, R is true but A. Then question number 190. The contraindications to the use of morphine are the following except option A, respiratory insufficiency, option B, acute left ventricular failure, option C, head injury, and option D, undiagnosed acute abdominal pain. So the right option is option B, acute left ventricular failure. So other options like respiratory insufficiency, head injury, undiagnosed acute abdominal pain, the morphine should be avoided. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, enter your thoughts in our comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.